Welcome back to another video. Today we've got another Abarth, this time 2018 yellow, done 44,000 miles from new. It's got the Magneti, Marelli, if that's how you pronounce it, exhaust, which is quite a nice little touch. Decent service history, and the timing belt's been done as well. Comes with a private plate, which will stay on the vehicle. So quickly whipping around it for you. Front end pretty good, actually really good. Not many stone chips to talk about, if any at all. Pretty well kept. These had 3 owners in total from new. Never had a yellow one. I quite like it. So I think it's got Bluetooth or Bluetooth ready, DAB radio. I think the little exhausts really make these a little bit extra. This is a Spider. Just see the logo on the exhaust there, see if the camera picks it up. Get the zoom a bit better on there. There you go. I really like the tailpipes as well. I think they look really smart. Hopefully you agree. Very clean car actually. Nothing much to really report back on. Right, let's quickly start the interior. Door cards really tidy. Passenger seat decent as well. See what's going on in the boots. It's a bright day today. Problem of being in the Surrey Hills, going in from the trees, like to come inside. Driver's seat, nice condition as well. Got Bath logo on there, steering wheel in good condition. I'm really liking this yellow inside here though. I do like that when they do that on these little Baths, when they colour code the interiors. Right, let's fire it up. Everyone wants to hear the exhaust, I'm sure. There's your mileage, if you can just about see it. It's a bright day, isn't it? There you go, 44k. So you got sport mode. This all lights up red. DAB, as I mentioned, Bluetooth. Pretty well kept. Gonna give it a little rev for you. I think that's probably one of the best sounding Abarths we've had. I quite like that. It's not like intrusively loud. It's a good quality exhaust sound. Like, I know some exhausts just sound loud and garish. Like, yeah. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like what you see or you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us. There'll be a link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye.